Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sawyer Ridge Farm. My name is Alex.
I'm Jacob.
And today we're going to just be bringing you guys along a few things we're going to be doing on the farm. We have a few chores that need to get done. Also, if you saw our last video, we introduced our new livestock guardian dog, Moses, and we wanted to show you guys just a few of the ways that we've been bringing him around to the animals and kind of introducing him to the animals and getting him used to them and stuff. So we'll get going with that and show you guys how we do it. Right now we're taking him over to the goat pasture where he will be staying once he gets bigger. But we just introduce him to the mama goats, you know, probably every day or so just to get him used to them. He's gonna go see what's up. Oh, he's gonna pee. The first day I brought him out here with these goats, this mama right here gave him a good headbutt, so he is definitely gonna learn to respect the goats and keep his distance, but I think he'll be a good guard dog for him.
Alright, so one of the things that we got to do today is we're going to be moving our new buck, the one we got from Dutch, and we're going to put him over there with our other buck and the little kids, and that's kind of where he's going to stay for a while now. But today's the day. We've had him kind of quarantined, as you could say, you know, for probably a week or so, and he seems to be fine. He's not showing any like signs of sickness or anything, so we think he's good to go to be with the rest of the herd. I'm a real cowboy. Come on, boy. Trying to get you in a new pasture.
So you can see right here how much him and our other buck look so much alike. There's to be expected some pecking order going on, so there'll probably be some headbutting. That's just a part of the process. But yeah, we're just glad to have him over here now. Look at Moses. Moses, come here, boy. Moses. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You go say hi? Go say hi. big, huh? I don't think he's so sure about having another buck here in the pen with him. He's sure checking him out. I think he'll be just fine. He's gonna do good.
Alright, so we're actually going to be giving the pigs some scraps here we got from our parents, and if y'all have pigs, that's a good thing. If you got family members close by, tell them to keep their food scraps, because the pigs love them. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to stick them in these 2 pans, and we're going to give it to them. Moses, you're not the food.
Gets a cut.
You got your own food up there. Hey Moses. Want to get in there with the pigs?
Before someone says that we shouldn't have him in here with 6 pigs, I just want you to know we're watching him very closely. He's keeping his distance pretty good, so. These pigs are more interested in that food than they are him, for
we
sure.
We normally don't even get in here unless there's food like this.
Yeah,
they'll come up to us and just try to
They just like biting at your feet and stuff. That's just how pigs are. But when they have food, they are occupied with that food and they could care less about anything else. So.
You done, Moses?
I think Moses has had enough of them. They're a lot bigger than you, huh?
All right, come on. You've had your daily dose of pigs.
That's actually the first time he's been in here with the pigs.
Yeah.
We've had him around the goats and the chickens, and he hasn't been around the pigs, so that was kind of fun to watch.
Oh boy. You like them pigs? Moses. Come on, boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy.
While I was over here by the goats, I just wanted to bring you guys over into the garden real quick and show you our pepper bed is doing really, really well. I just wanted to show you guys a little a little update on the peppers. The tomatoes and stuff are all still doing pretty good. Not as good as the peppers, but they're still doing good. But I just wanted to show you, look at this plant right here. Look at all, this is our hatch chili pepper plant, and it is loaded with peppers. Just loaded. And marigold plant doing good. Then I wanted to show you this banana pepper plant. It's also just loaded with peppers. It's just about time we're going to do a harvest on these, just a big harvest on all of them. We would rather pick off a lump sum than just a few here and there. So we try to keep them on there as long as we can, and then pick off a lot of them so we can can them or do whatever with. It's pretty nice having the pig pen just right there. So if we ever have any vegetables in here that go bad, it just gets thrown right into the pig pen, and they love it.
So over here at the chicken coop, we actually need to clean out the chicken coop right now, so that's what we're going to do. But while we're here, we're going to put him in the run with the chickens. Right now we're keeping him in the run because those 3 new copper Morans we just moved over last night, and so we need to get them acclimated to this area so they know this is home. So they're going to be in here for a couple days, and so we're going to put him in there kind of for the first time being in this in the run. Now he has been around the chickens since we've had them. They free range, and they come up in the yard and he sees them, and he hasn't done anything, so we're really liking that. But we're going to keep him in here just while we're doing the coop, so we can keep an eye on him and just see how he is just when he's kind of confined with the chickens, and we'll see how the chickens think about him. But let's put him in there real quick. Come on, Moses. Let's see what you do.
Now I will say, like we've probably said before, we're not experts at training a livestock guardian dog, but I do know that as soon as you put them with a new animal and they show interest in it, you gotta, if they start chasing after them, you gotta nip it in the butt real quick. So we're gonna be keeping an eye on him for a little bit. I'm just seeing right now he's
doing very well, and like I said, this isn't the first time he's seen the chickens. The chickens have been around him for a few days now, and he's never chased at them or anything, so he's doing very well with all the animals. So he seems like he's going to be a very good livestock guardian dog, just the way his temperament and the way he's kind of acting just as a puppy around the animals.
Of course he's curious, but
oh yeah,
if you see them running after the chickens, you definitely want to stop them from doing that at an early age, just as soon as you see it. So we're going to keep an eye on him and start cleaning the coop.
So guys, we're gonna wrap up today's video. It's kind of really hot out here, as you can tell. I'm sweating, but Moses did very well with the chickens. We put him in there at first. He's real curious. He wasn't chasing them, but he was kind of just seeing what they were. We kind of just corrected it a little bit. But then after that, he kind of just started watching them. And then after a while, he just really didn't care much about them. He just sat in there. He whined a little bit because he was in there, but we were right there with him. I mean, we were cleaning the coop, as you could see. And then he literally like almost started to just fall asleep. He really didn't care he was in there. And but guys, we're very excited to have him, being able to train them and everything like that. And I think we're kind of off to a decently start with him. And all the animals he's been around, just seems like he's doing very well. So we're very excited, and we think he's gonna be a very good livestock guardian dog. But if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Got any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments. As always, take care and God bless. Hey buddy, say goodbye.